Hey guys, this is your boy Crime Time here, bringing you a unboxing of the Grand 49er. So let's get to it. We just open the box. The first item, the outbox. Some little sticks here. Turn on the fireworks. And then we have a piñata buster. We also got a Star Master. And here we have a Sparkling Glory. We have a Cuckoo Nest. And a Pyro Fire. And we have a Rain Dance. We have a golden shower fountain. We have a artificial fire. We got some solar flares and some flashing fountains. And that's all, YouTube. So please subscribe, like, or comment.